Yes, children. Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry. It is going to be worth 6 marks in your CBSE exam. This will be a 6 marks chapter. Children, as I was going through the CBSE sample paper of basic and standard, in both the papers, there was one case study question, 4 marks worth. So 4 mark case study and 2 mark separate question was there. There are 3 exercises, children, in the chapter, and each exercise is based on one formula. But CBSE has deleted the last exercise this year. For this particular year, the last exercise has been deleted. That is area of triangle formula deleted. So we just have to focus on the 2 formulas here. One is distance formula, the other one is section formula.
Section formula.
Yes. Distance and section. The first exercise is based on distance, the second is based on section. But the best part is when you will get a case study out of this 4 mark case study, section and distance formula will be mixed over there. And believe me, children, chapter is very easy. You have done coordinate geometry in class 9 as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You just learned the plotting of points on the Cartesian plane. And we are making use of that coordinate geometry which you learned in 9. In chapter 3, when we were making linear equations, graph of linear equations. है ना? अब यहाँ पे we will go a step forward. We are going to go a step forward. And what is that step? We are going to learn a formula to calculate distance between any 2 points in a plane. You have a Cartesian plane, children, right? X, Y, origin O. So you have a Cartesian plane with you. Suppose there is a point A here, another point B here, a point C here, D here, E here, any points. So any 2 points ka distance you can calculate. You don't have to have a measuring tape in your hand. If you know the coordinates of that particular point, you can find the distance sitting just using a pen and paper. Right. Now, where it is useful? Where it is useful? If you have seen in ground, our sports ground during this sports activity, we mark certain points on the ground for the athletes, like for relay race and other things. What do you think? They're going to measure with a measuring tape, or they make use of coordinate geometry? They make use of coordinate geometry. Even in your map, on your globe, when you want to find the distance between 2 countries or 2 cities in India or whatever, if you have your India map drawn carefully on a piece of paper and you just draw coordinate axis और आपको actual distance पता है, then using the similarity scale factor and coordinate geometry, you can find the distance between any 2 cities, right? So for that matter, we just need to know the coordinates of a particular point. Now, what we are going to do, children, we are going to calculate the first formula, which is distance formula, and this distance formula helps us to find distance between 2 points in Cartesian plane, right? And you know any point in the Cartesian plane is of this form, x comma y, beta. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
It is known as ordered pair as well. So x and y. Abscissa, mentissa. This is also known as ordinate. ठीक है, ये सब आपने class 9th में किया हुआ है. So let us first derive. I will be deriving with you. Derivation will not be asked to you. I will be deriving so as to make you comfortable how the formula has been arrived. I am taking care of quadrant 1, children. मैं quadrant 1 की बात करूं, the same formula can be applied to any of the quadrants. So let us talk of quadrant 1. Let us have any 2 points here. Let me say A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2. Any 2 points randomly I have taken in the plane. G, I need to find what is the distance between A and B. For that, what I am going to do is, I am going to drop a perpendicular from A on x-axis. So this is 0 for sure. And what should be, and what, this is 0 for sure, and what should be the value of this one?
x1.
X.
Sure na? You know this is x1, so this is a straight line with x1 as the coordinate. Let me drop a perpendicular from here. What will be the
X2.
coordinates of
X2 0.
x2 0.
Clear? Now suppose instead of x1 0, this is some point 2 comma 0, this is some point 7 comma 0. What is the distance between these 2 points, children? How many
Five.
units?
5.
How did you do that?
7
कैसे
minus
किया?
2.
7 minus 5.
Minus 2.
2.
Very good. Very good. So now if I want to find the distance between these 2 points, 7 minus 2 means x2
X2
minus.
minus X1.
X1.
Are you clear with this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us do the next part. Similarly, let us draw perpendiculars on y-axis. What will be the coordinate?
Y1 0.
0
Oh,
Y1.
sorry. X 0 Y1.
0 y1.
0 comma y1. From here,
0 Y2.
y2.
0 y2. So what is this distance, children? ये distance क्या हो गया?
Y2 minus Y1.
Y2
minus
minus
Y1.
Y1.
Minus y1. Very good. Clear? We have not done anything new. ये सब हमने class 9 में सीखा हुआ है already. Nothing new I have done so far. Let me just mark X here because that is going out of the screen. Clear? Now our interest is to find the distance between A and B. So this is what I need to calculate. That is the distance between A and B. What I will do, I'll drop a perpendicular here. This is already perpendicular. So I will complete this triangle C. Now in this triangle, what is AC?
X2 minus
X2
X1.
minus
Two minus
x1.
Yes, this distance is x2 minus x1. And what is BC, children?
Y2 minus
Y2
Y1.
minus
Minus
Y1.
Y1.
Y2 minus y1. Now this is a right triangle and right angle.
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem and get the work done. So what we are going to do here is, what are we going to do here is, by Pythagoras in right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, what do we get? AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, which is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. All right. But this is AB square, children. We need to find the distance AB. So this gives me that AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. That's it. This is known as distance formula. So if you want to find the distance between any 2 points whose coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given to you, this is the formula we need to apply. And there is nothing to cram up. If you have understood the process, you can do it easily. Yes? Jupiter, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So that is how we are going to do it. This is a distance formula. You're going to please pause the video better. Find distance between these 2 points, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Beta, 2 coordinates are given. I'm giving you the format, proper format. What is x1 here?
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
X1, y1. So you just write the coordinates very carefully. Y1 is 7. What is x2, children?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
And what is y2?
3.
3.
3.
All right. So x1 minus, you have written the coordinates. Just write by distance formula. You mentioned this term, okay? By distance formula, required distance. What is the required distance, beta? Acha, we know the formula. X2 minus x1 square plus
Y2 minus
Y2 minus Y1 square.
Acha,
Under root.
children, one thing. Suppose you get confused in exam. आप exam में थोड़ा confused हो गए हो कि whether it was x2 minus x1 square or x1 minus x2 square. Please do not bother yourself at all, because we should be knowing that a minus b square and b minus a square both are equal. What does this mean? It means a square plus b square minus 2ab. And this also means b square plus a square minus 2ab. So are both same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A minus b is not equal to b minus a. But a minus b square is equal to b minus a square, beta. है ना? So we can take advantage of this. So if we have got confused in exam whether it was x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, hardly matters. Hardly matters. But make sure both of these should be in the same order. If you are writing x2, then you should write y. Alright. Now let us put the values carefully. So x2, please take care of negative sign. x2 is minus 1. x1 is minus 5. So this minus is of the formula and one more minus 5 is there. So please be careful. y2. y2 is 3. y1 is 7. It is an underscore. And the moment you are putting units, you will keep writing units here because distance is in units, no? So minus 1 plus 5. What does it become?
4.
4.
And 3 minus 7 becomes?
4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Now open the bracket. 4 square is
16.
16.
and minus 4 square is also
16.
16.
is equal to root 32 units. Can you put it in simpler form? If you factorize 32, it will be 4 into 4, 16 into 2. So this gives you 4 root 2 units. This is the distance between the given 2 points. This is the distance between the given 2 points. Clear? Yogendra, are you there? AB minus A minus B. So AB minus A minus B. Let us see what we get. X2 is minus A, beta. Minus of the formula, and x1 is A. So minus A square. Likewise, y2 is minus B square. And the moment you are putting values, you have to write units there. Now minus A and minus A becomes minus 2A square plus minus 2B square. Units? Yes, children. What is minus 2A square?
4a
4 square.
Plus, right? And what is minus 4B square?
4b square.
Anything that can be taken common?
4a 4
4. And outside the root, 4 will become?
2
So it is 2 under root A square plus B square units. So if you have a point in quadrant 1 and same point in quadrant 3, then the distance between them is given by this formula. Clear? Children, what are, Yogendra, please tell. Children, what are the coordinates of origin?
0 0
0, 0.
So you have to take x1 and y1 as
0.
0.
0 and y1 also as 0.
0.
Because one point is origin. So you don't have to get confused. It's just that your values are 0, 0. X2 is 2. Y2 is 3. So therefore, required distance is equal x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is in the square root. So that means 2 minus 0 and 3 minus 0 square units. What is 2 minus 0, children?
2.
2. And 2 square will be
4.
4,
3 minus 0, 3.
3.
And 3
9,
So under root 4 plus 9. So that makes it under root 30.
13.
All right. The only thing you have to be careful is that we are given origin. So origin is 0, 0. All right.